Hi! Whew, I'm puffed. Have to excuse the outfit. I've literally just got back. It stopped raining for a day, so I've been out on my bike and I'm frozen. It's so cold. It's just above freezing. Anyway, while I was out, I had a delivery. So I'm going to show you what it is and leave you to guess what we're going to do with it. So let's go and have a look and see what's in the boxes. Let's have a look and see what we've actually got in the box itself. Lots of toys from Renogy. We have a DC to DC battery charger and MPPT solar. We have a separate solar MPPT. We have a battery monitor. In fact, we have two, but if anyone wants one, hit me up because I don't need two. I have a Bluetooth module, some inline fuses and diodes, and a big box. That's difficult to get out. Didn't put out. An inverter charger. So this is a very clever all-in-one box. I will explain later how it all works. You'll see us putting it together, but pretty cool. So we're also going to need something to put all that energy we generate into, and obviously pull it out as well. So we have two of these. We have two 300 amp hour lithium batteries. So there you go. Two of them. They're 25 kilos each, so that is a not insignificant 50 kilos of weight. What we have to remember is that 50 kilos of weight gives us the equivalent power to 7 EcoFlow Delta 2. So those two batteries are the equivalent of 7 EcoFlow Deltas. So lead acid batteries, we need 1,200 amp hours because you can only use 50% of a lead acid battery. Each lead acid battery is, give or take, 18 to 20 kilos, and you need 10, so it's 120 kilos, so it's still less than half the weight. So, last thing to show you, we have 4 200 watt flexible panels, and I agonised a long time over whether to go for flexible or solid panels, and I will be honest, solid ones are probably a bit more reliable. Eco-worthy flexible panels are 25% efficient, so that's the same efficiency that you're getting out of an EcoFlow hard panel, and really anyone else's. 25% is about as good as it gets. We've got 800 watts of solar here in these 4 panels, and they're 3.5 kilograms each. So that's 14 kilos in total for 800 watts. A 400 watt solid panel, you're looking at 25 kilos. So call it 50 kilos for round figures. So 50 kilos versus 15. That was the bit that swayed it. It's weight saving. The reason we need it will become very clear very soon. These are what we're going to be attaching to all of our Renogy kit. So stick with us. In a few days, a few weeks maybe, who knows, we'll show you what all this kit is for. But before I go, let me just point out this is not in any way whatsoever a sponsored video from Renogy. Although guys, if you're watching and you want to refund my money, I'd be really, really happy. This all came out of my own pocket. I worked hard for it. It's a lot of money, but it's going to do a lot of work for us. So we think it's okay. We did a lot of research. We think we've got the best bang for our buck and the cheapest cost per watt hour of electricity generation. So stick with us. We'll take you on the journey and where this all ends up. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, click the bell, all that kind of stuff. If there's a hype button, please hype it up. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. Really helps us, as again, you know, we've spent all this, it's our money. It's not paid in any way by Renogy or EcoWorthy or anything like that. See where we go with this. Thanks guys, take care.